Is your Apple Watch stuck on the Apple logo and won't boot up? Or is it simply not charging at all? Stick around for this video, because I'm going to give you several simple solutions to fix this problem. First, if your Apple Watch battery died completely, I recommend plugging it into its original LoRa-certified charger for 30 to 60 minutes. Leave it connected without touching any buttons until the watch shows signs of life. Second, if your Apple Watch has battery power but the screen is frozen, you can perform a force restart. Press and hold both the digital crown and the side button simultaneously for about 10 seconds until you see it restart. This usually gets it back up and running smoothly. Third, your Apple Watch might need a factory reset using your iPhone. Before doing this step, make sure to back up your Apple Watch if you have important data you don't want to lose. And make sure you know your Apple ID login details. To do this, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap All Watches at the top. Tap the Info button next to your watch, and select Unpair Apple Watch. This will factory reset your device and remove software glitches. If any of these tips helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.